Hey there! Today I'll demonstrate how to translate your game into multiple languages using the AI Localization Automator plugin. This tool automates the translation of your game content using various AI providers, including Ollama, OpenAI, Claude, DeepSeek, and Google Gemini. The plugin is compatible with Unreal Engine versions 5.0 through the latest version, which is currently 5.6. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Lyra sample project, which contains thousands of words to translate. Perfect for showing you that this plugin can handle both small and large-scale projects with ease. After installing the plugin through the Epic Games launcher and opening your project, first ensure that the plugin is enabled in the plugins window within the editor. Next, let's open the localization dashboard from the Tools menu. Verify that you have the game target selected and the correct Gather Text options configured. For detailed information on setting up your project for localization, check out the Localization Setup page in my documentation. You'll find the link in the description below. As you can see in the table, there are already some default translations available, since Lyra ships with translations out of the box. But let's clear these to test our AI localization pipeline. To do this, temporarily change the native culture to another language. I'll select Chinese as shown. Confirm this change by clicking Yes in the dialog window. You'll notice that all translations disappear. Now, switch back to English as your native culture so we can proceed with English as our source language for this demonstration. Now click on Gather Text and wait for the system to collect all text from your files and packages. This will give us English-only, unlocalized text to work with. Once the gathering process completes, click on the AI Translate button provided by the AI Localization Automator plugin. You'll find it near the Compile Text button. This opens the AI Translation Manager, where you can configure your settings and view the text that needs localization. For this demo, I'll use just one provider, Google Gemini, to showcase the workflow. Select Google Gemini from the Translation Provider dropdown and configure your API key. I'll use my own here. I'll choose the Gemini 1.5 Flash model for this example, though you have other options available. While there are many additional configuration options visible, I'll leave the default settings for now. Now click the Start Translation button, then simply wait and monitor the progress. Each source text entry is sent as a separate request to the AI provider. With our default setting of 10 maximum concurrent requests, we'll have 10 simultaneous translation requests running, significantly speeding up the process. I'll speed up the video so you don't have to wait through the entire process. After about 5 minutes, depending on your source text, the selected model, and configuration, the translation will be complete. Click Save Translations to save them to the archive file, which integrates the translations natively into Unreal Engine. Now close the AI Translation Manager window and return to the localization dashboard. To update the system with the new translations, click Gather Text again and wait for the process to complete. You should now see an updated word count for all your languages, indicating that the translations have been successfully applied. You can also review each language and entry to make sure everything looks correct. After that, click Compile Text and wait until the process finishes. Afterward, your translations will be ready to use in your game. It's really that straightforward. Let's test the translations directly within the editor. I'll open the front-end level and go to the Options menu in Lyra, since it contains quite a lot of text where we can observe the localization changes. Next, go to Editor Preferences in the editor, then Region and Language, and change the preview game language to different options to see the results in real time. And that's it. You've successfully automated the translation of an entire game project using AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the documentation link in the description for more detailed setup instructions.